Hello students, good morning everyone. I'm Amrit and today we will discuss the chapter The Glimpses of the Past. Okay, we'll discuss this question answer comprehension check. Number 1. Look at the picture 1 and recall the opening lines of the original song in Hindi. Who is the singer? Who else do you see in the picture? So my dear students, in first question you have to go to the first picture of the chapter and you have to tell the original song in Hindi. Also we have to say which singer is singing the song, okay, and who else do you see in the picture and who are there in the picture. You identify them and write their names. Okay, question number 2. In picture 2, what do you understand by the company's superior weapon? Here in picture 2 you have to go to picture 2 and then you'll see there it is written that what do you understand by the company's superior weapon. Here superior weapons means at the time in India we were not much developed and we didn't have the superior quality of weapons, okay, like guns and all other things. Okay, question number 3. Who is an artisan? Why do you think the artisans suffered? Here who are called artisan? Okay, here artisan means not just artist who draws pictures and all that. Okay, here artisans are the maker of Indian nation. Okay, so there are so many people who have martyred and also died for the nation and did lot, like so many social reformers, okay, like Raja Ram Mohan Rai and so many others are there who did lot for India, okay, to make India one nation. So that you have to mention here. Question number 4. Which picture according to you reveals the first sparks, the fire of revolt? Okay, so there are so many pictures in the chapter you can go through and you have to tell that which means gives the glimpses of the starts of the first reveals the first sparks of the fire of revolt. Okay, means in which picture you can see the first glimpse of that revolt that is to take place. Okay, that you have to write. Okay, now let's see questions working with the text. Question number 1. Do you think the Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach to the events of 1757? The answer would be yes, the Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach to the events of 1757. They fought among themselves. They failed to understand that they were becoming weaker. Number 2. How did the East India Company subdue the Indian princes? Okay, so here the question is asking that how the East India Company used to suppress these Indian princes and make to their in their own. Okay, the answer would be the rivalries among the Indian princes helped the East India Company to subdue them easily one by one. They fought with one another. The people had no peace due to their constant fight. The British took advantage of the situation and the Indian princes. Question number 3. Quote the words used by Ram Mohan Roy to say that every religion teaches the same principles. Here we have to answer these questions would be: cows are of different color, but the color of their milk is the same. Different teachers have different opinions, but the essence of every religion is the same. This way Raja Rahman used to teach. Okay, and one more thing you must know that Raja Ram Mohan Roy is known as the father of social reformer. Okay, remember. Question number 4. In what ways did the British officers exploit Indians? Okay, the British officers, how they used to exploit Indian officers. The answer would be the British officers flourished in their private business. They also invented other methods which give them more profit. This ruined the Indian traders. Okay. Next, see question number 5. Name these people. Here the statements are given. We have to name the persons. Okay. Number 1. The ruler who fought pitched battles against the British and died fighting. Okay. Who was that? He was Tipu Sultan. Okay. Tipu Sultan. He died fighting in the battlefield. Question number 2. The person who wanted to reform the society को रिफॉर्म करना था. Who was that? He was Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Number 3. The person who recommended the introduction of English education in India. He was Macaulay. Okay, the British general Macaulay. He wanted to make the reform for the Indian education. Number 4. 2 popular leaders who led the revolt. Choice may vary. Here means different people may be the answer. Okay, so here you can name 2 persons, 2 popular leaders who led the revolt. Okay, so here you can start like Nana Sahib, Bahadur Shah, all this. Okay, now let's see question number 6. Question number 1. Mention the following. Okay, here you have to mention. Question number 1. 2 examples of social practices prevailing then. At the time, the social practices which was prevailing. Okay, social customs. That is untouchability and child marriage. Okay. Number 2. 2 oppressive policies of the British. 2 policies which oppressed the Indian people. Okay, that is according to regulation 3rd of 1818, an Indian could be jailed without trial in a court. That is the most means what could say that is fatal act they had made. Okay, without trial they can be put into the jail. And number second answer could be that taxes continued to ruin the peasants or the farmers. Okay, so they should take heavy taxes. Number 3. 2 ways in which common people suffered. Okay, common people, how they suffered. 2 ways. The answer would be Indian had become the slaves of the foreigners, and due to the wrong policies of the company, famines between 1822 and 1836 took 15 lakh lives. Question 4. 4 reasons for the discontent that led to the 1857 War of Independence. Here is the most important war that took place in 1857 and also called as a Sepoy Mutiny War. Okay, so here the 4 ways that discontent means that was that made unhappy to the people. That answer would be question number 4. The answer will be white soldiers got huge pay while Indian soldiers got a pittance, means very less amount. Then greased cartridge means what the gun they used to they were using there, they used to put grease. Okay, the fat of cows and pigs, all that. Number C. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies. Then the last one is 1818 the white man and had annexed many kingdoms. Okay, means they had annexed, that means they had taken away the many kingdoms of the Indian princes. Okay, so my dear students, we have explained up to question 6. So today you this is you just find out yourself and discuss among yourself. Okay, this questions. Okay, this you do for yourself, and this question number working with the text, this you have to write in question in your CW copy. Okay, this working with the text, this full you have to write in your CW copy up to 6 here. Okay, This is your today's homework. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.